just learned this lesson well. He said, learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job.
God, we believe for it right here. God, we believe.
God, we believe for it.
Success is really nothing more than the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. This means that any person who knows what he's doing and where he's going is a success.
Just to be a helper with me today, just because.
Yeah, so much.
Yeah, and also a little bit of drive. Might as well have someone to talk to.
Yeah.
You know?
It was about an hour and a half drive to get here.
Yeah, not too bad.
So yeah, you'll take this cable right here, and you'll just hook in to the back of this, and you'll see it says antenna RF out. That's where you're gonna go. Then you'll hook it into this D-fin antenna up here.
Normally they retail for $75. They've been on Amazon for $65.
Yeah.
I bought one just to have as a backup for my Beta, and then I actually like the sound of it over my Beta.
Sure?
Yeah.
The stronger the emotional reaction you have to some experience in your life, the higher the emotional quotient, the more you pay attention to the cause. The moment the brain puts all of its attention on the cause, it takes a snapshot, and that's called a memory. So long-term memories are created from very highly emotional experiences.
See, I think we live simultaneously on three planes of understanding. We're spiritual creatures, we have an intellect, and we live in physical bodies.
Here's the big challenge of life. You can have more than you've got because you can become more than you are. That's the challenge. And of course, the other side of the coin reads, unless you change how you are, you'll always have what you got.
We're totally locked into a physical world, and we let things outside of us control us.
There he is. He's way up there. Getting those motors up. Yeah, that's a great shot.
Or he said a person's successful if they know where they are, and they know where they're going, and they're progressively moving in that direction. He said that success was the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Anyone that has a goal and they're moving towards it, they're successful.
Take me home to